Hi, and welcome to Video 1, where you're going to learn how to get carrier appointments so you can represent great products and learn one of the key secrets that differentiate top producers from average producers. Now, I know many of you want to jump straight to the secrets of our industry's top performers, and truth be told, having a great portfolio of products and carriers who stand behind them is the foundation for a six-figure business. So let's get started. So just how do you get carrier appointments, and what are the expectations for production and profitability? Getting a direct appointment with a P&C carrier is often very difficult, especially for a startup agency. Many agents make the mistake of opening an office only to discover they're unable to get appointed with carriers. Even experienced agencies with a long track record of production and profitability find the process of obtaining a new carrier appointment painstakingly slow and arduous. Agents often complete an online application that never receives a response, and their phone calls often go unreturned. Once a carrier decides to consider your agency, they will typically send a marketing representative out to evaluate the agency to see if it is a good fit for their company. If they decide it's worth a look, they will request the following information. Detailed agency application. The application will go into great detail about the agency history, including which carriers you're currently appointed with, and your production and profitability numbers for the last 3 to 5 years. Production and experience reports. These reports detail your production by line of insurance and, most importantly, show your profitability. Many agents make the mistake of leaving their captive carriers to go independent without a copy of these reports. Business plan. The business plan should outline how the agency will be managed and grow for the next 3 to 5 years. Resume. They want a resume from the owner so they know your prior experience selling P&C and any other experience that strengthens your ability to run a successful agency. Mission statement. The mission statement tells them why the agency exists and what its top priorities are. A marketing plan. Explaining specifically how you will prospect to their appetite for new business and meet their production expectations. Background check authorization. Many carriers will not appoint an agency if the owner has poor credit. In addition, they get a producer database report listing all current and past carrier appointments and any known issues affecting your license. License and E&O. You'll need to provide a copy of these to any carrier you're pursuing. Average producers spend months to get a meeting with the marketing representative, followed by months before their application is approved. For the select few who are even lucky enough to get a carrier appointment, they often feel captive to them because these appointments come with substantial new business production expectation. The relationship with an independent carrier requires that you provide them with a steady flow of profitable new business each and every year. Agencies have to focus on meeting these expectations or risk losing the appointment and having to find another carrier to rewrite the business with. Because average producers have only 1 or 2 appointments, they are often not as competitive as other independent agencies, and it can take many years before they are able to have a strong lineup of carriers and a complete portfolio of products. Average producers invest months and months to go through the process, only to find out they don't qualify. It's a little-known fact that most independent insurance agents are unable to get appointments with A-rated carriers when they first start out. Top producers have learned there is a better way. They found the fastest and most popular way to get access to A-rated P&C carriers right away is through an insurance agency network, where you're in business for yourself but not by yourself. Top producers are interested in getting a direct appointment, so you'll want to be sure the insurance agency network you're considering offers that. Working with a network that offers direct appointments allows you to have binding authority and can have policies issued in your agency name without having to check in with Big Brother. Here are some of the things a top producer would consider. What are the upfront and monthly fees? The list of carriers that are available, the type of binding authority, commissions, what comparative rating system is used, and what will it cost? Are commercial carriers available? How long does it take before you can start quoting and writing business? Who owns the book of business? Do you have to place all your business exclusively with the network? Can you operate in your own name, and whose name appears on the policies? Is there a non-compete if you leave the network? And can you sell your book? Carriers like the network model because it gives them a chance to see if the agency is going to be a good fit for them. Top agents like the network model because they can get a great lineup of direct carriers with much lower production expectations. They can represent more carriers, have a larger product portfolio, making them more competitive and increasing their income. Imagine two agents. One is going solo and is working for years on getting their own direct appointments, and the other agent works with a network with immediate access to multiple high-quality A-rated carriers. Which one do you think is likely to become a top producer faster? We've developed a model to help those who want to join our industry's top producers that is truly a win-win for their agency, their clients, the carriers, and the network. Thank you for being on this video today. In tomorrow's video, we'll discuss what types of E&O insurance the top producers buy to protect themselves at all times.